In this video, we will show you how to set up the Wi-Fi feature on your compatible Garmin watch. This process can be done using the Garmin Connect app or Garmin Express. Please note that some Garmin watches offer the ability to set up this feature directly on the device. See your owner's manual for more information. To set up Wi-Fi connectivity using the Garmin Connect app, start by opening the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. Then, access the menu. On an Apple iPhone, touch the More icon in the bottom right. On an Android device, touch the three lines in the upper left. For this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone. Next, scroll down and touch Garmin Devices. Then, touch your compatible watch, followed by General, and then the Wi-Fi button. Touch Add Network. Your watch will then search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select the network you would like to connect to. Enter the network password if needed, and select Connect. Your watch will now attempt to connect to the network. When connected, you will see a message that your watch has successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. You have now set up Wi-Fi connectivity using the Garmin Connect app. Next, we will add Wi-Fi connectivity using Garmin Express. Start by connecting your watch to your computer using your USB charging cable. Then, open Garmin Express. Click on your device and then click Tools and Content. Click the Utilities tab at the top and then click Find Networks. Your watch will now search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Click the network you want to connect to and enter the password if needed. Your watch will then connect to the network. And that's it! You can now connect your compatible Garmin watch to a Wi-Fi network using the Garmin Connect app or Garmin Express. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.